If you've ever wanted to create your very own ebook, whether it's for your business, your recipes, your digital products, or even a passion project, today I'm going to show you exactly how to design a clean, professional, and beautifully formatted ebook using Canva. And if you stay with me until the end, I'll share how you can access a completely free Canva crash course to keep leveling up your skills. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your Canva account and clicking Create. Before choosing any template, switch your document units from pixels to inches. This gives you precise control over your layout. Now set your dimensions to 6 inches wide and 9 inches tall, which is a standard ebook size. Then click Create New Design and you'll land on a blank canvas. From here, head over to the Designs tab on the left and type ebook into the search bar. Canva will instantly display a wide range of templates: minimal, bold, colorful, elegant, everything you need to match the mood of your book. Take a moment to scroll through and pick one that speaks to your theme. Once it loads, you can start customizing your cover, change the colors to your brand palette, choose fonts that fit your personality, replace the background image, and add your book title, your author name, and even your logo if you have one. This is where your ebook's first impression comes together, so have some fun with it and make it feel uniquely yours. When your cover is done, it's time to format the inside pages. Click the Add Page icon, then go to File, Open Settings, and toggle on Show Rulers and Guides. With these visible, you can drag guides from the top and side rulers to create clean margins. Proper margins keep your text readable and help your layouts look polished on tablets, phones, and computers. Now imagine you're creating a cookbook. Start by building your table of contents. Use the text tool to list your chapters, sections, or recipes. This helps readers move through your book without getting lost. After that, begin adding your content page by page. Insert photos, titles, short descriptions, ingredients, anything that fits your book's flow. To keep your ebook visually consistent, stick to a small set of fonts, colors, and spacing. Consistency is one of the biggest secrets to professional design. If you're repeating the same page structure, like a recipe layout or a blog-style chapter, use the duplicate page feature. It saves time and ensures every page feels connected. And if you're learning something new here today, feel free to hit that subscribe button. It not only supports the channel, but it also helps this tutorial reach more people who want to create beautiful things inside Canva without complicated software. As promised, if you want access to our free Canva crash course, check the pinned comment below. It's packed with step-by-step lessons that go beyond this video and help you design more confidently and more creatively. That's it. You've just created a complete ebook using nothing but Canva. No overwhelm, no paying for advanced programs, and no design experience required. Just simple tools, clean layouts, and your own creativity. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.